Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy custard topping. This simple method is perfect for beginners and uses common kitchen ingredients. You'll need just a few basic items like milk, egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Let's get started on creating this creamy, versatile topping that will elevate any dessert. First, let's prepare our ingredients. In a small bowl, combine your 1/4 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, whisking them together thoroughly. This prevents lumps later on. Then, in another bowl, lightly whisk your 2 egg yolks until they are just smooth. This initial preparation ensures a silky smooth custard texture. Now, for the cooking, gently heat 1 cup of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just starts to simmer. Carefully temper your egg mixture by slowly whisking a small amount of the hot milk into the egg yolks. Then, pour everything back into the saucepan. Continue to cook, stirring constantly, for about 3 to 5 minutes until the custard reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Once your custard is perfectly thick, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Transfer the warm custard to a clean bowl, then cover it directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This creamy, chilled custard is wonderful over fruit, pies, or any dessert you desire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.